Hey team, welcome to What the Front. Guess what? Today's an exciting day. We've actually got power, so the lads are here.
Hello.
So cheers to the YouTube. Lads are here putting in the power so we can actually have some power. So that's another step forward in this What the Front channel. So thanks for liking, subscribing and watching. Cheers. Hey team, welcome to What the Front. The lads here are just going to talk about the electricity as we got power. So take it away. Switch on. Oh, voila.
Good work.
Voila. Très bien. Hey.
What the front?
What the front? What the front? Thank you, lads. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Cheers.
Right, good morning. Here we are, front room downstairs. This might be quite difficult to see, but I have been working in here with this multi-tool, pulling out all the bits of concrete and old mortar in between the stones, and then giving it a really good brush down so that the formation of the stones is much clearer with all the bits around it removed. And the plan for me today is to get on with pointing. So it's a bit of a milestone. It'll be our first bit of pointing in the house. Yeah, watch the space. I'll keep you updated. Good morning. We've just had a delivery from Union Materials. So Rob's just unloading the pallet now. I think we've got roofing materials for the kitchen. We've got some timber. We've got some roof tiles. So we're going to start putting that into a new kitchen roof. Right, what's that, Tara?
Roof. There's all our sand for the sandblasting.
Yeah.
Useful that's going to be. Careful. Yeah. we're just moving the whole thing off. 4 bags of sand, which we can't use. So take up your sandbags to block the water, I guess. Sand pit. Here's our easy mix. One thing I've learned in France, everything's in French. So you need to actually do effective translations to get the same building materials. I can speak builder talk, and the builders can speak builder talk, and hand gestures and measurements and stuff, but you need to actually read what each of the items are when you order them. Because Easy Creek says Easy Creek, but this doesn't. It's got this on it. Anyway, let's go make some cement.
Where are you going to make the cement? In the kitchen?
Next to the sink. That's done out there. Because I've got all I needed. Oh look, recording the whole time and not even know that I'm recording. So here we are, a little village on Canal de Midi. It's got a boat across there that serves food, and they have le boats and other boats that you can actually hire and go down Canal de Midi. So lovely little spot. We're here because it's my birthday. I'm a little bit older and it's a day off work, so we're just out exploring, doing a bit of a wine tour. I've never had a wine tasting on a boat, so it was quite nice. And the host, Rachel, was from Kirikiri in New Zealand. Bizarre as that. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya. Bonjour, comment ça va?
Ça va bien.
Très bien.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
We've had a très bien lunch, birthday lunch, and I don't know the name of the village.
La Sommelier.
So what did you have?
Sommelier. Oh, an avocado and prawn ceviche sort of. Terrain. What did you have? Tart.
They're on a motorcycle tour. Should have done
That's your afternoon activity.
that. Drinking wine.
Yeah, yeah. Go to the winery first.
And then you had salmon, tuna.
Tuna tataki.
Okay, and I had burrata salad, and then I had lamb chops, which were quite nice. And I've ordered cheesecake. We both ordered cheesecake
Cheesecake for dessert.
to finish it off, and obviously washed down with plenty of rosé. So it's been a nice birthday lunch, even for us, and it's not our birthday.
Yes.
The birthday boy has also had an amazing time.
Enjoyed your day.
Merci beaucoup. Bonjour, comment ça va? Well, it's been another birthday lunch and a birthday day. We've been out on a lovely little boat exploring the Canal de Midi. We've just had some lunch, and we did wine tasting on the boat actually. And then we got a lovely lunch and had more wine, and we're about to head to a winery to drink more wine, would you believe? So today's a special day. It's my birthday and also John Soder's, but he can't be here. Cheers, John. Anyway, here we are, and here's Zara. So Zara, what's today?
Your birthday, Dad.
Oh wow, and how old am I?
22.
22. Gotta love it, don't you? Cheers, thanks for watching. Bonjour. Ça va?
Ah, bonjour. This is my pointing corner. So it's pretty slow going.
What is pointing?
It's poking this stuff in the holes between the, because I've cleaned out, see on this side, I've cleaned out with a multi-tool all the gaps.
Sweet.
Still got a lot of stuff, but we'll give it a good brush. Then you give it a good brush down, find some rocks that need to fill in any big holes that you want to fill in, and then you squeeze this pointing in as best you can, And then I've just given the top bit a bit of a brush with a wire brush. It just cleans it up a little. So, I don't know, I've been doing it a couple of hours, maybe 1 metre square. Could be doing it for the next couple of months. Put it that way.
A job to keep you busy and what the front.
Yeah, exactly. But I don't know. We'll see what it dries like. So
Now, what other good news happened today?
the power came on.
Oh, you're shitting me.
It's just been turned on. I know.
It's only been like how long?
A good couple of months, and
Good 6-9 months?
yeah. It's only a couple of months behind schedule, but 2 big milestones. Power came on and we started the pointing.
Excellent. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.